Ford Transit cargo lights can be controlled through several different methods. Understanding these controls helps you manage your vehicle's lighting system effectively. There are three primary ways to control Ford Transit cargo lights: the interior light control panel, door switches, and individual light unit controls. The most straightforward method is the interior light control panel, typically located near the driver's area. This panel features a three-position switch with off, auto, and on settings. Setting the switch to off completely disables all cargo area lighting. Auto mode activates lights when doors open, while on keeps lights continuously illuminated. Door switches are magnetic components located on the door frame where cargo doors make contact. These switches automatically control the lights based on door position. While you can manually depress or tape down these switches to keep lights off, this is only a temporary solution and not recommended for permanent use. Many cargo lights have individual switches built into the fixture itself. These allow you to control specific lighting zones independently of the main system. Recent Ford Transit models from 2020 to 2025 feature enhanced automatic systems with improved battery management, addressing previous concerns about battery drain from cargo lights. These improvements include automatic shut-off timers and better integration with the vehicle's battery management system, making the lighting controls more reliable and efficient. When cargo lights remain on, despite using the interior control switch, systematic troubleshooting is essential to prevent battery drain and identify the root cause. The first troubleshooting step is to inspect all door switches for proper alignment. Stuck or misaligned door switches are the most common cause of persistent cargo lighting issues. Understanding the electrical connections helps identify potential issues. Door switches connect through the vehicle's wiring system to control the cargo lighting circuits. For battery preservation during extended work periods, implement a 5-minute manual shutoff routine. This simple practice can prevent costly battery drain and service calls. Statistics show that 15% of Ford Transit battery-related service calls are attributed to lighting system issues. When problems persist, consulting a Ford-certified technician prevents electrical damage and warranty voiding. Regular inspection of door switch alignment, proper use of interior controls, and timely professional consultation when needed will ensure reliable cargo lighting operation and prevent costly battery-related issues.